guys, my name is Marcos, I'm from Argentina, and today I will show you how to make a homemade chorizo. In Argentina we have a lot of recipes for chorizo. Every family and every bachelor have their own recipe. Some people make the chorizo only with pork, some people make the chorizo only with beef. So I have here mine's beef, mine's pork, and special and secrets spices. So we fill pork's intestine. Every family and every bachelor have their own recipe, but generally is with garlic, oregano, parsley, chili flakes. So the next step is prepare the machine. So we have to put the sausage skin to the machine. We wanna fill the machine with all our mix. So this is the most interesting part of the made the chorizo, when you fill the sausage skin. So you have to be careful for the air. And you can go watching how much do you want to chorizo, thinner or thicker. So we have here a little piece of the filled sausage. So now I will take off the gloves, because in Argentina we say gato con guantes no caza ratones. Like a cat with glove can catch the mouse. We check that the sausage don't have air inside. For portion the chorizo, the sausage, you only have to press to separate a little part and just turn around. Very nice chorizo sausage, Argentinian style. Best way to cook a chorizo is in a grill. So here in my house, like we say in Argentina, casa de herrero, cuchillo de palo. I don't have the barbecue, but we can cook the chorizo in a pan in your kitchen. Just only put the chorizo in a hot pan, and I will show you how my mom cooked the chorizo for us, because it's a very fast way. Taking the skin out, doing this, and put in a pan. So it's like a patty, but with chorizo flavor. You can eat the chorizo by itself with a salad, or you can do the choripan. The choripan is the most common sandwich that we have in Argentina. Oh, that smell is wow. As can you see, the way to cook the chorizo by my mom is more faster. The chorizo without the skin is already done. And it's very good. This is the cooked chorizo, and look the shoes. And you can see the piece of meat. It's very, very nice. I will prepare a choripan. It's very, very simple to do. So all you need is a bread. Cut the choripan with we say the chorizo mariposa. Is the choripan with the shape of a mariposa. It's like a butterfly. All Argentinian people have to have the criolla sauce and the chimichurri sauce in the fridge. Oh. I like to eat only with the criolla and the chimichurri. You can put lettuce you can put tomato. The choripan de cancha, like we say in Argentina, the choripan that you eat in the football game, it's that simple, like that. Some criolla in one part of the bread. The criolla sauce is made with tomato, onion, capsicum, lemon juice, some parsley. I'm gonna put the chorizo inside the bread and put a lot of chimichurri. We made the chimichurri with a lot of spices. It's basically parsley, oregano, vinegar, paprika, chili flakes. Look at that. You can taste the flavor of the criolla sauce and the chimichurri as well. The chorizo is perfect. So you have to try to do this at your home. You will feel like you are in Argentina when you are tasting the choripan. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, to StoryBites, and enjoy.